guys, here I'm entering my another off-road section. There's a few kilometers of asphalt road before I hit the gravel, and you'll see how amazing view looks like from this place, so stick around. And here we are, guys. You can see this very old asphalt road, which will soon enough become a pure gravel road. This was a village before, like 100 years ago before, and then people from this place start, going closer to the coast and becoming a fisherman and trying to survive that way. That's the history of the place. And the place that we are going to is has a very actually incredible story. This was a place that got famous during, I would say, 6th century or something like that, when Turkish Suleiman forces were battling here, trying to get this place, and then domestic people kind of fought back, and since there was a lot of deaths from the local army as well as Turks, this place was stinking a lot, and then the name of the place is Smrdangrad, which is like rotten city or something like that, and it got its name because of the smell. There's a church over there with a beautiful view on the bay and Pelješac Peninsula, and that's where I'm heading to now. Beautiful view here. That over there is, of course, Adriatic Sea. And as you can see, olive trees, which people here use to make olive oil and cosmetic products. This is all private. But people here don't have problems with other people passing by, as long as they're not, causing any damage. They're okay with that. Oops! Now you saw 1 second and things could go wrong. That's why you need to be always careful while driving off-road. So far, road is not challenging, and this is not an issue for CV500X at all. I can see tire is slipping a little bit through this soft gravel, and here we are. Incredible place, guys. You can see. Wow. So guys, this is what I was talking about. Okay, let's pause here for a moment. Okay guys, time to leave this amazing place and continue exploring off-road routes of the South Croatia. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, time to wrap it up for my Honda CB500X review in off-road conditions. As you saw, I went through some soft gravel, I went through some medium difficult terrain or a little more rocky terrain type of conditions most of you would ride this bike on. As mentioned before, this is not hardcore enduro bike, this is adventure lighter traveling bike, and here is my conclusion of the how CB500X is capable in riding in off-road conditions. So I'll start with saying that this bike is totally capable of doing light and medium difficult off-road tracks. I would also say that its lightness and the 19-inch front wheel makes it a very capable bike for these type of roads and these type of terrains. Those would be kind of positives. And on the negative side, suspension is very soft, and for riding on these type of terrains it would be good if it's a slightly stiffer, you know. Generally speaking, you know, my impressions of riding this bike off-road are excellent. This is a very capable bike for most of the tasks. Fuel consumption is, as you all know, fantastic, which is kind of important if you are in a place like this. My personal opinion is that in most of the cases this will be an excellent bike for riding off-road, for having off-road fun, for even for off-road traveling, as long as you don't put too much weight on the back of the bike and you keep yourself slightly tilted forward, you will be totally okay with riding this bike on a light and medium difficult terrain. For hardcore enduro, going over the, you know, footpaths or things like that, it's a different story, and I don't think this bike would be able to do that, but you know, that's expected from every bike that it's more than 130 kilos in weight. So big thumbs up for CB500X and its capabilities of riding off asphalt roads. Okay, thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and supporting me that way, and I'll keep making videos about this incredible machine, and which surprises me every day with how capable it is. Alright, boys and girls, have a good day and talk to you all in the next one. Take care.